Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Zelonpro Electric Pressure Washer, 4500 psi, 2.8 GPM Power Washer, 2025 upgraded with 55 feet cleaning range, 4 nozzles, foam cannon. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Electric Pressure Washer. This pressure washer with 35 feet power cord and 20 feet hose features up to 4500 psi of water pressure and 2.8 GPM of water flow, delivering superior cleaning efficiency while being energy efficient. With multiple nozzles and a foam cannon, the power washer effortlessly handles tasks like driveways, outdoor furniture, and cars, providing exceptional cleaning results and a user-friendly experience. 4 quick connect nozzles and foam cannon. This electric pressure washer comes with 4 nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, and a foam cannon, offering a variety of cleaning options. The different nozzle angles adapt to various cleaning needs, while the foam cannon generates dense foam, enhancing cleaning performance when used with the pressure washers. Convenient storage. This pressure washer comes with a power cord hook and a gun holder for easy access. This power washer's electric-powered compact electric design not only saves space but also enhances portability, making storage and use more convenient, whether at home or outdoors. Environmentally friendly and safe. Compared to gas pressure washer, electric pressure washer are more environmentally friendly and safer. They do not produce harmful gases like gas pressure washer during use, and the power washers generate less noise. They are safer to operate and easier to clean, making them more user and environmentally friendly. Easy assembly, effortless use. The Zelonpro Electric Pressure Washer comes with a detailed manual to help you quickly assemble and get started. This power washer ergonomic design ensures a comfortable experience, reducing strain during cleaning and making it easy to tackle any cleaning task. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.